Yeah, hello everyone. When you receive the LCD display, please follow our instruction to get the backlight off, because this LCD screen is too fragile, so we keep it on. But in future we will peel it off and then combine them together, so it's easy for you to use. But recently, when you receive it, please follow our instruction. Okay. Yeah. First, you cut only the black line. There is one black line. Yes. And then you peel off this backlight. It's easy to get this off. 那个膜就不要去。Okay, and you get your printer and get the screw off. First, you need to get this cable, the data cable off, and pull out the broken LCD. The top surface glass plate can be peeled off. You're just bending it. So it's smoothly, very gently, you can take the glass off the LCD plate. And then you stick it. It can stick in onto the glass automatically. So you just first peel off the protection tape on the LCD screen. And then you're sticking the LCD onto the glass. Yeah, you put it on and you turn it back. So it will sticking onto the glass automatically. If there's a little bubble, you just can peel the glass a little bit up, and then it will turn to flat, and the bubble will get out. Okay, then you install the LCD screen onto the printer. We have make the cave exactly to the size of the LCD, so it can locate it exactly into the cave. Then you insert the cable into the slot. Then you relock the bolts. Okay, that's all for the reinstall the LCD.